Fourth standard students, let us start from page number 140. Elephant's weight. Once a king had pain in his stomach. None of the palace doctors could cure his pain. So, because of pain, he was shouting, "Oh no, I cannot bear this pain." Doctors and Vaidya, but they were not able to find the problem. Then king said, "Anyone who cures my pain will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant." जो भी मेरा ये दर्द पेट का ठीक कर देगा उसको मैं क्या दूंगा? I will give gold equal to weight of an elephant. हाथी के वजन के बराबर उसको मैं इतना सोना दूंगा. Then what happened? On hearing this, doctors from all over the country came, but only Dr. Vedika could cure him. You can see here, she is Dr. Vedika. She cured his pain. Oh great, my pain has gone. Thank you, Dr. Vedika. So I have my rewards now, sir. That means gold equal to weight of an elephant. So she is telling to the king कि सर मैंने आपका कर दिया है ठीक पेट दर्द, तो now my reward and you will give me the gold equal to the weight of the elephant. But the greedy king didn't want to give her the gold, so he thought of a trick. But now he changed. He was thinking, why should I will give the gold? उसके मन में लालच आ गया. I will not give the gold. Okay, first find the weight of an elephant, then I will give you that much gold. So he is telling कि first find the weight an elephant. Then Dr. Vedika heard this and she was unhappy. How is it possible? So big weighing machine, and how can I weight an elephant? She was thinking. Vedika was unhappy. When she reached home, she told her daughter the whole story. Then what happened? Let's see. How can I weigh an elephant? Where I will get such a big balance? She was thinking. Then her daughter said, "Don't worry, ma, I have an idea. Tell the king to arrange an elephant and a big boat." So she is telling to her mother, "Ki mama, don't worry. You only tell the king arrange one elephant and a big boat." Next morning, Dr. Vedika invited the king near a river. The king came with an elephant and a big boat. You can see. I think she is a fool. How will she weigh an elephant with a boat? The king is thinking. Turn the page, beta. Vedika's daughter went into the river. She marked on the boat how much it sank in the river. First, empty rivers mark she has done. Okay, when in the river, if nobody is there, then the water level till where? Outside of this boat. Then she asked them to bring the elephant into the boat. The boat sank deeper. Obviously, when we sit in the boat, okay, because of weight, the pressure, because of the pressure, the boat's level, so water level will up in the boat and boat will down in the water level. Okay, so when she asked them to bring the elephant into the boat sank deeper, so she marked the new water level on the boat. How imagine what happened next and complete the story. Discuss with your friends how Vedika's daughter found the weight of the elephant. What will be happened? So Vedika will be telling to the king, now from here to here, the boat of this, you will weigh the gold and give to my mother. Let's see. Now see here, Vedika, when the elephant is not in the boat, Vedika marked this level. The water level is here. Okay. After, when the elephant is in the boat, Vedika marked this. The raised water level is here. That means she marked here. Then the elephant was removed from the boat, and then she told the king, do one thing, till the raised water level, the first mark is here and raised water level is here, so till here you have to put the gold into the boat. In this way she weighed the elephant. Now the king has no option, और किंग को वैसा ही करना पड़ा, and Vedika's mother got gold. That's why I am telling you, children, please do hard work so you can help to your parent also. One, the moral story, the moral of the story, we can say this also. Okay. Now see how much the chair weighs. Now see, Anamika wants to weigh this chair using the weighing machine. Now she is thinking how I will weigh this chair. Can you suggest a way for doing this? Yes, definitely we can suggest. For the this chair, what she can do? First, on it a flat wooden surface or any flat lightweight, that thing easily can hold this chair's weight. She should keep here and note the weight of that. Suppose that this book surface, so like this light weight, and the weight should be this, so that easily the chair can put on that flat surface. तो कोई ऐसा पटिया वटिया उसको लेना चाहिए, and then she should note the weight of that flat surface. Then on that slab she should keep this chair, and then she should note again the note the weight of slab and chair. Definitely with that plan thing, with this chair the weight will be more, and then subtract the weight of slab from that total weight, so she will get the weight of chair. Okay. Now broken stones. Abdu sells firewood. You can see there was a stone in his shop which weighed 13 kg. A big stone which weight is 13 kg. He used it to weigh firewood. One day the stone fell down and broke into 3 pieces, and which weighed 2 kg, 5 kg and 6 kg. 2 kg small stone piece weight is, and 6 kg and 5 kg. Then what happened? But Abdu was very smart. He used those 3 pieces to weigh. He has not purchased a new one stone for weight. He is using broken pieces also. Firewood of all weights from 1 kg to 9 kg. Here is how Abdu weighed 1 kg of firewood. The weight of this bundle is 1 kg. How is possible? So what he has done, first he has taken 6 kg weight and here 5 kg. So now he is putting firewood in this. So the left weight will be 1 kg. Got it? Now you can show how Abdu will use these stone pieces to weigh 4 kg of firewood. So in this pan 6 kg and this 2 kg and rest of the weight of firewood, that we will get 4 kg. Next 3 kg. So here 5 kg, here 2 kg. 5 minus 2 is 3. Rest of the thing, the weight of the rest of the thing will be 3 kg. Now 7 kg. So 5 plus 2 7. So 5 kg and 2 kg of stone we can put here, and then we can weigh the firewood's weight. So total 7 kg we will get.